Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Now eligible candidates for MAH AAC CET, they are going through a very important stage, that is registering themselves for the CAP rounds. I have given all the information related to CAP rounds in my previous few videos, and in this video I am going to show you how to fill the CAP round registration form online as well as how to upload the documents required for the process. यह वीडियो कैप राउंड रजिस्ट्रेशन के बारे में है और किस तरह से फॉर्म फिल करना है ये मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा. For this you have to visit Fine Art Cap Round site, which is of CET Cell's official site made for Fine Art. The address for this site is info.mahacet.org. अगर आप डायरेक्ट इस साइट पे नहीं आते हो और CET Cell के ऑफिशियल साइट पे जाते हो, मेन साइट पे जहाँ पे सारे कोर्सेस लिखे हुए होते हैं, वहाँ पे अगर आप फाइन आर्ट एजुकेशन में फाइन आर्ट पे क्लिक करते हो तो भी आपको इस साइट पे डाइवर्ट किया जाएगा या रीडायरेक्ट किया जाएगा. On this site you can see this important dates segment. If you are using mobile then you have to scroll it sideways. If you are using computer then you will be able to see this new registration easily, but as I am using mobile I have to scroll it sideways, and after that I am able to see this new registration tab there. इस साइट पर आपको important dates नाम का segment दिखेगा. इसमें जैसे आप साइड स्क्रॉल करोगे वहां पे न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन का एक टैब दिखेगा, वहां पे क्लिक करना है. आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन द न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन ए न्यू वेब पेज विल ओपन. इफ यू आर नॉट एन NRI स्टूडेंट then you have to click on first option, which is CAP registration login for MAH AAC CET 2020 candidates. If you are NRI then you have to register on the second option, and for login you have to use third option only for NRIs. अगर आप MAH AAC CET के कैंडिडेट है और आप अभी रजिस्टर करना चाहते हो तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन आपके लिए है. इसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है और लॉगिन करने के लिए भी इसी ऑप्शन का यूज़ करना है, इसी टैब का यूज़ करना है. और अगर आप NRI है तो मैंने इंग्लिश में बोला वो सफिशिएंट है. After that you have to log in with your application number, your MAH AAC CET application number and password. Then you can see the list of documents you have to upload here. For uploading it's very important that your scanned document should be less than 250 KB, or you can say not more than 250 KB, as well as These documents should be in PDF format. आप जो डॉक्यूमेंट अपलोड करने वाले हैं वो .pdf फॉर्मेट में हो और 250 KB से ज़्यादा ना हो उनकी साइज. So here is the list of documents you require. Number 1, SSC or equivalent certificate, which is having your date of birth. It's required as a proof of date of birth. SSC means 10th class. Then you need HSC, which is 12th class mark sheet. Number 3, MAH AAC CET 2020 mark sheet or scorecard. Then your college leaving certificate, or you can say TC, transfer certificate. Number 5, certificate of Indian nationality or nationality certificate simply. Here number 6 documents, domicile certificate, birth certificate is not mentioned, but this is of first day's screen recording. So I have got the updated one very next day. So here now number 6, domicile certificate, birth leaving certificate of candidate indicating place of birth in the state of Maharashtra. That is your proof as a Maharashtra state candidate. Then caste certificate, number 7. Number 8, caste validity certificate. And last, number 9, intermediate drawing grade examination certificate. So these are all 9 documents here you require. Left corner you can see that CAP registration form. There you have to click. That form will open, and after that you are able to see the similar kind of screen. The first column, which is mentioned your name and other details. The first one which is filled and you can't make any changes over there. The second one, candidature type, if you are Maharashtra state or all India state candidate, just like that you have to select your candidature type. Then marks are already mentioned there. So if you want, you can change the marks actually in education details column. One thing I noticed here, that religion column. It is mentioned Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddhist and Jain, and there is another column which is religious column. I think that is utter stupidity. Religious column, it is having options Hindu, Gujarati, Sindhi, none. Reservation section में रिलीजन का कॉलम है जिसमें हिंदू, मुस्लिम, क्रिश्चियन, सिख एटसेट्रा जो ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, तो आपका जो भी रिलीजन है वो आप वहाँ से सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। पर एक बहुत ही सी बात यहाँ पे आपको देखने को मिलेगी, वो है रिलीजियस कॉलम। ये कॉलम आपने कभी नहीं देखा होगा। रिलीजियस कॉलम में 4 ऑप्शन है, हिंदी, गुजराती, सिंधी, नन। क्या बात है। तो ये एक अलग ही तरीके की स्टूपिडिटी है। देन इफ यू आर फॉलिंग अंडर ए स्पेशल रिजर्वेशन कैटेगरी which is for defense and person with disabilities, so accordingly you have to select the option. Like this you have to fill all the required details, and after that at the end of this page, after that you have to click small square box I confirm. If now you don't want to submit this form and you just want to save the details, for this you can select this save and drafts, and if you are very sure that you have filled all the details correctly and now you want to submit this form, so you have to choose this second green button, confirm and submit. So after that, once again the confirmation box will appear. In that pop-up it's written, are you sure you want to update the form? So you have to select OK, and then it's done. You will move to the next process, which is document uploading process. Here you have to upload the documents in PDF format as I told you earlier, and the document should not be more than 250 KB. So I'm using my phone to fill this form and upload the document. My laptop is not with me, actually it's not working, as well as my primary phone also not working, so I'm having this old Motorola phone. With this I'm filling this form and doing all this editing. Service center says my laptop required 20,000, which is I'm not gonna pay and I'm not gonna repair that. Anyways, that is like very old model, so it's not a good idea to invest that much in the old laptop. So for now I have used a technique to make the PDF documents and resize them with this phone only. So I'll make the separate video for that, but in this video now you have to upload all these documents. You have to choose the file and after that select the document and upload it. Once you upload, if that is successful, then this document pending will turn blue and it will show document uploaded. Thus I have uploaded all the documents. Here with the nationality, I guess you have to write down your barcode number which is mentioned on the document. After uploading all the documents, you can see these all turned blue and none is pending. After that you can take a printout of this form. So there is the option application print. There you have to click and you have to save the form as the PDF document which you required when you are going for the admission or cap round और फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन। इसकी प्रिंट आउट लेके रखना है, ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है अगली प्रोसेस के लिए, और उसमें मेंशन होगा कि आपने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड कर दिए हैं। यहाँ पे जैसे देख सकते हो आप, मैंने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड किए हैं। पर दिक्कत ये है कि जब आप फिर से होम पेज पे जाते हो या फिर माई प्रोफाइल पे जाते हो तो यहाँ पे आपको फिर से वही दिखाई देता है कि सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स पेंडिंग है। पर ये टेक्निकल ग्लिच है, इसमें डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। आपने जो प्रिंट आउट लिया है उस पर ऑलरेडी मेंशन है कि आपने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स जमा किए हैं। But here I would like to request the CET cell and their technical team to look into this issue and rectify it. I wish you all the best, and if you still have some doubts, queries or whatever, you are free to ask me on my Instagram, or you can simply write it down in the comment box below. Thanks.